Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock a T-Mobile phone so that you can use it with any carrier. Now, unlocking your phone allows you to switch networks, use the international SIM cards and move to another provider without buying a new device. So first of all, before unlocking your phone, you will need to make sure that it meets T-Mobile's unlock requirements. The device must usually be fully paid off, not reported as stolen or lost, and it must have the active on T-Mobile network for a certain period of time. If your phone is still under financing, you may need to finish the payments before unlocking it. Now, for many T-Mobile Android phones, unlocking can be done using the device unlock app that comes pre-installed on the phone. Simply open the app and choose the option of permanent unlock and follow further instructions in order to basically unlock your phone. Now, if you are using an iPhone, the unlock process is handled directly by T-Mobile. You will need to request the unlock from the T-Mobile account or the customer support. Once the request is approved, the unlock is processed remotely on the Apple's servers. So after unlocking the device, insert a SIM card from a different carrier, turn the phone on and wait for it to connect to the new network. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.